The dynamic balance exercise protocol aims to provide a reliable tool to train our subject's balance. More specifically, to train the subject's ability to move his or her center of gravity, training postural motor control in general. The exercise can be performed in different test settings. To proceed with the new acquisition from the Exercises section, click on Balance Exercise. 2 additional icons will appear immediately. Select the DYN icon. The sensor must be hooked to the appropriate belt and positioned below the line that connects the 2 venous dimples, lumbar sacral passage at the S1-S2 vertebrae. Select the difficulty level for performing the test. Select the targets for the exercise by clicking on the corresponding number in the central ring. Finally, select the duration of the exercise and the number of repetitions for the patient to complete. The test begins with the patient in upstanding position. Once the patient is ready, start the acquisition by clicking on REC. During the stabilization phase, the patient must remain still, then carries out the exercise, guiding the red dot displayed on the screen by moving his center of mass, hitting the highlighted target as precisely as possible. The test ends and the results are automatically saved. The report of the dynamic balance exercise is made of 2 main sections. A first section where the various balance and accuracy indices are shown, and the second section where the movement of the pelvis are highlighted.